How to add Instagram to TikTok profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram to your TikTok profile. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Share Profile. Now, tap on Copy Link to copy your Instagram profile link. After that, go back and open the TikTok application. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Now tap on Add Instagram. Enter your Instagram username in the provided field. Then, enter your password for Instagram. Tap on Continue as your username. Now, tap on Allow to give TikTok access to your Instagram account. Tap on Allow again when prompted. Once completed, your Instagram account will be added. Go to your TikTok profile and you will see your Instagram link displayed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.